Today, I'm taking a look at a roofing company's website I found on Google Maps. Now, at first glance, it's clear they've been in business for years, but their website, let's just say it isn't working as hard as it should. In this video, I'll show you what's good on the site, what's holding them back, and then walk you through my modern redesign that actually generates leads. So, here's their current site. To be fair, they do have a few strong points. Right away, you can tell they specialize in roofing, not just generic construction. They highlight authority, over 30 years in business, and hundreds of millions in projects completed, which is impressive. They've got certification and trust logos scattered around, which adds credibility. And their contact info is visible at the top, and they even have a quote form at the bottom, which is really good. But here's where things start to fall apart. The hero section is cluttered, the background image is too busy, text overlaps, and they've got two competing buttons instead of one clear call to action. Second, the design looks outdated, boxy layouts, cramped spacing, and stock photos mixed in with real ones make it feel less trustworthy. Thirdly, navigation is overwhelming, way too many menu items that could be easily grouped together. And fourthly, their calls to action are misplaced. The code form is buried at the bottom where most people won't even scroll. There's no real storytelling or flow. The page jumps around without guiding you toward booking a service. So here's my redesign. The goal here was simple: make it modern, professional, and results driven. The hero section now has a strong roofing project background with a dark overlay for contrast. The headline is clear: commercial and industrial roofing experts. The subheadline quickly communicates their value: reliable roofing repairs, maintenance, and installation that protects your business. There's only one call to action here: get my instant estimates for lead capture. And yes, the quote form is right here in the hero section, so visitors can take action without scrolling. I simplified the navigation to 5 items: home, services, project, about, and contact. The header stays sticky with phone and email always visible. Plus, there's a bright red get estimate button for conversions. Instead of long text lists, I use card-style service blocks for repairs, replacement, and maintenance, just like their current site. Each card focuses on benefits like extending roof life and preventing costly damage. I also added the quick start section to build trust instantly. I expanded the credibility section with partner logos and a video background to give it more of a modern look. Now for the why choose us section. Rather than generic claims, the why choose us section now uses benefits driven bullets to quickly list out the benefits. And on the next section, projects are shown in a visual carousel with captions. A before and after gallery would work perfectly here too. I redesigned the testimonial section to include names, photos, and star ratings, all in like a scrolling slider card style. One section I noticed they didn't have on their current site is their process section, whereby they showcase the steps from start to finish on how their business works once a lead fills out a form and submits it, which makes things easier for the lead to understand. The FAQ section is expanded to answer common objections, things like project timelines, warranties, and handling insurance claims. And lastly is the quote form at the bottom, which honestly just makes it easier for the lead to fill it out and submit it without having to scroll all the way back up to the start of the page. Also, instead of a boring submit button, it says get my free estimate, which feels urgent and personal. But here's the real game changer: the automated roofing quote system. Here's how it works. A visitor enters their project size, service type, and contact info. As soon as they hit submit, two things happen. They see an instant confirmation, and their info gets logged in the backend CRM automatically, which in this case is Google Sheets. Within moments, they get a professional email estimate in their inbox with a clear next step: book a site visit. This can also be a PDF which can be sent to them in their email. From there, the CRM can handle follow-ups with emails and text in order to increase the chances of the lead taking action, all completely hands-free. So now, instead of just collecting leads, the website acts like a 24/7 sales assistant. This redesign transforms their website from an outdated one into a true lead gen engine. Clear design, clear calls to action, and an automated code system that works around the clock. And honestly, this one feature alone could help this roofing company generate way more clients without changing anything else in their business. So if you want a redesign of your website, you can book a call with me using the link in the description, and we can have a short discussion on what exactly I can help you with.